Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Monster Hunter Now first major update, Fulminations in the Frost, is coming this December 7th. Are you ready for a brand new hunting experience? Major update, Fulminations in the Frost. In this update, you can look forward to 2 new weapon types and 4 new monsters. A new special quest will give you the chance to discover Radobaan, Banbaro, Barioth, and Zinogre for the first time. Introducing Dual Blades and Lances. Dual Blades hits quickly and boasts great mobility, allowing you to launch attacks in quick succession. Lance allows you to guard by performing a hold action. It boasts very high defense and has a long reach. Look out for more time-limited event quests rewarding materials needed for upgrading equipment, such as carpenter bugs and monster bones, as well as gatherable materials like dragonite ore and zenny. The event starts from Friday, December 15, 2023, until Sunday, December 17, 2023. In addition, you can use UltFone iOS location changer to change the location at will. You can also control the joystick or set a movement route to increase the chance of hunting rare monsters. So guys, that's all for today's video. Subscribe to us for more news. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.